Alright, today we're revisiting my 52-inch Codep Astro ceiling fan, model 100, manufactured by View Fan sometime around the early 1980s. It's a 3-speed electrically reversible fan. Ornate side there on the lower motor housing. Blades are walnut with stencil, arch tip. Blade pitch is around 13 degrees, 12 or 13. Blades are plain walnut on top. These are paper veneer plywood blades. Lower canopy, which is just sitting loose on the motor. And then there's the upper canopy beehive shape J-hook mount. Couple labels. There's the main information label there. Unfortunately, the screws there is keeping me from raising this lower canopy to give you a better view. Right there is the main Codep sticker there. Motor in this fan is cast iron, 188mm by something, I'm not sure what. But yeah, these are pretty obscure fans. Not a whole lot of them are seen today. I would say these are fairly expensive fans when new, so that's main contributor of being so rare today. But these came in quite a few different variations. You had the Astro here, which had just a plain bottom, but with ornate on the top, or even with plain on the top, on the side rather, not the top. You also had the Galaxy, which had ornate on the bottom and plain on the side. They all shared the same look here, being a top mount fan. The same fork style blade irons there with the fleur-de-lis symbol in there in the center. Like I said, they're pretty cool fans. Picked this one up a few years ago off Marketplace in Dayton. I think the original video I made on this fan was around 4 years ago, back when it was installed in my master bedroom. I actually had it up in a couple different places here in the house. This is one of my favorites, I would say, in my collection here, this fan here. Pretty cool piece. So let's go ahead and start it up. Here on low. Yeah, and this is a newer variation with a switch housing. The older variations were non-reversible and they had no switch housing. The pull chain just came right out of the bottom. Pretty decent low speed here, fairly quiet, and you got a slight hum to it. Surprisingly, that loose lower canopy doesn't really rattle or anything when it's up there. Take it to medium. And here's high. Yeah, this fan isn't very fast. We're probably cruising at around 150, 160 RPM here. despite being a pretty large cast iron 188mm motor. I'm not sure if this fan has a drifting capacitor or what, or this is just a normal operation. These things didn't really go that fast even when new. I mean, right now with the 13-degree blade pitch, it throws out a okay breeze. It's not too bad for how fast it's going. So, well, it may have been intentional that it went this fast. Probably more of a decorative piece than a high-end functioning fan. Or high-performance fan, rather. But pretty cool nonetheless. And that's all I got, folks, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch polished brass Codep Astro Model 100 ceiling fan from the early 1980s, manufactured by View Fan. Stay cool, take care, peace.